Here we have to find the transfer function of the signal flow graph. So for easiness, we have to mark this node as 1, 2 and 3. Let us mark this node as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this R of S is the input and C of S is the output. Okay. Here, first we have to check how many forward paths are there. By looking the arrow. Look, this is the first forward path from node 1 to node 6. Is the first forward path. That is K1. K1 starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the first forward path. Then look, here from node 1 to 2 is a branch and from node 2 there is another forward path in this way and ends at node 5 and then completes at node 6. So the second forward path is K2 is equal to 1, 2, 5 and 6. This is the two forward paths. The another two arrow indicates that these are loops. Okay, look here, this is one loop, not a forward path because the arrow is heading backwards and the gain is -1. Okay, so these two are loops, not forward paths. So we can we can write the transfer function as P1 delta 1 plus P2 delta 2 divided by delta. Okay, so we have to find what is P1. P1 is the gain of first forward path. Okay, what is the gain of first forward path? 1 into 1 by s into 1 by s into 1 by s into 1, which is equal to 1 into 1 by s into 1 by s into 1 by s into 1, which is equal to 1 by s cube. Okay. Then what is P2? P2 is equal to 1 into 1 by s into 1, which is equal to 1 by s. These are the gain products of the forward paths. Next we have to find what is delta 1. What is delta 1? Delta 1 is equal to 1. Why? Because there is no non-touching loops of without touching the first forward path. There is no such node without touching the first forward path. Therefore, delta 1 is equal to 1. And what is delta 2? Delta 2 is also equal to 1 because there is no node without touching or which is non-touching the second forward path. Okay, therefore delta 1 equal to delta 2 equal to 1. Now, in order to find the value of delta, we have to calculate what is the loop gains. Here, we already say that there are two loops. This is the first loop starting from node 2 and ends at node 2. It consists of node 2, 3, 4 and returns back to node 2. This is loop 1. So what is the loop gain? L1 is equal to 1 by s into 1 by s into -1, which is equal to -1 by s square. Okay. Then what is loop gain 2? Sorry, or gain of loop 2. This is the second loop. It starts from node 3 and ends at node 3. It consists of node 3, 4 and 5 and it ends at node 3 itself. So, what is L2? What is the loop gain L2? It consists of node 3, 4 and 5. That is 1 by s into 1 by s into -1, which is equal to -1 by s square. Okay. Okay. So then from this figure it is very clear that there is no non-touching loops, two non-touching loops. Okay, so we can calculate delta as 1 minus L1 plus L2. That is, delta is equal to 1 minus 1 by s square minus 1 by s square. That is, delta is equal to 1 minus 2 by s square, or it is equal to 1 plus 2 by s square, or delta is equal to s square plus 2 by s square. Okay. Then, in order to find the transfer function, what is the equation? Transfer function is equal to P1 delta 1 plus P2 delta 2 by delta. So, substitute the values. P1 is equal to 1 by s cube plus delta 1 and delta 2 equal to 1. So, 1 by s cube plus 1 by s divided by s square plus 2 by s square. On solving, we get, what is it, 1 plus s square by s cube whole divided by s square plus 2 divided by s square. S square and this gets cancelled. This is equal to s square plus 1 divided by s into s square plus 2. This is the transfer function of the signal program. Okay, understood?